Are you new to wigs, or maybe have no idea what you are doing, how to wear it, how to install it, because hair loss might be something new for you, just like it was to me a little over 16 years ago. Don't worry, I know exactly how it feels. It can be terrifying, it can feel very lonely, and that is the purpose of this video, is to make sure you know you are not alone and to easily show you a quick install of how I put on this custom unit. Very easy, very basic steps, and you're gonna want to stay to the end because we are actually doing a giveaway in support of Alopecia Awareness Month for not only this wig but some very amazing products as well. So make sure you keep watching so you find out how to enter. Hi, I'm Ilana from Frontal Wig, and in honor of Alopecia Awareness Month, I've partnered with Monica Nicole Hair to gift this gorgeous wig to one very lucky person. And so this is for anyone who has ever experienced hair loss, is currently experiencing any type, or specifically alopecia like myself. I just want you all to know that I know firsthand how scary it is to go through that process and that hair loss journey. So my goal for this video is to show you how easy it is to install this wig. So please be sure that you watch completely to the end so you know all the details on how to be in the running to get this exact same wig. Isn't she gorgeous? I mean, the custom cut, custom color, the absolute perfect everyday wig, especially for beginners. So let's check it out. I absolutely love this cut. For me, it is the perfect beginner wig because it's not going to get in the way of your everyday life. The length is 12 inches, so it falls in that perfect line right above your shoulders, so you're not going to get unnecessary tangles from the rubbing and moving. Also, Monica has a great fit to her caps. This fits me very, very snug and flat. There's no bulge, no gap. Absolutely in love with the fit. Now the construction is a 13 by 6, so that means you are getting ear-to-ear lace, and then from the front of the hairline all the way back you have 6 inches of parting. It is a free part. She styled this one for me in a deep side part because I am a huge fan of side parts, but honestly it's however you like to style your wig. You can easily switch it up and either do a part on the other side or even a middle. That is the beauty of having a lace front wig, is having that freedom to style it however you like and for it to give the absolute natural look. Now when it comes to installing your wig, I know everyone gets a little nervous about the lace, but trust me, it is a lot easier than it looks. All you need to do is start with removing the excess lace that is covering over your brow so it's easier for you to view what you're working on. Then take it into sections. You can start with the middle cut and maybe 2 cuts by the temple, just so you have easy pieces to control and work with. Now it's up to you and your preference, but you can go in with a sharp pair of shears like I did, or you can go in with one of those eyebrow razors. Eyebrow razors, to me, I would be a lot more cautious on, especially if you are wearing the unit while cutting. It's crazy easy to cut yourself and I don't want anyone to be hurt. But with shears, it's easier to control. Even with smaller shears is better if you have it, but just make sure you are using that up and down motion to create that jagged edge. The better you cut around your ear, the better the lace will lay. You will not have to fight the lace to stay down, and it will be a lot easier to hold, especially if you're looking for a 2 to 3 day application. Now, don't get me wrong, you really do not need glue. If you see here, this whole middle section of the wig is not glued down at all. The only area you might want a little extra security is going to be on these side tabs. Have you been wanting to buy a custom wig but you just don't know how to go about it? Maybe you're not sure what kind of wig you're looking for, or you're just terrified because there's so many flukes and scammers out there. Well, Monica Nicole has just started a pilot program that she's looking for 10 beautiful ladies to be a part of, and her goal is to add that human touch back into the wig buying experience. Hair loss is difficult enough, so buying your wig and feeling good should not be difficult at all. From beginning to end, Monica wants to make sure that you are absolutely satisfied with your unit, not just when you initially have your consultation, but also when you receive the wig to make sure it's the wig of your dreams, and no hassle returns just in case it isn't. So you definitely want to look into that. Click in the bio below, check out her website, and you won't be disappointed. Now, let's say the lace color isn't the perfect match for you, which it just so happens that it was for me, so I didn't even need to do anything extra. But TruMatch Lace Conceal is also gifting the full set of the mini lace tinting sprays. So everyone is covered in this box, depending on what your shade is. Not only are they buildable, but they are so easy to use. A nice thin layer, and you can get the perfect shade for your skin tone, all the way from tan to deep dark. So they've got us all covered. To make this giveaway even more special, not only are they giving away these minis, but also their new Go Glueless stick. So you can use the easy applicator, twist, and apply, or you can screw it off and use your finger like I do. Honestly, I fluctuate back and forth, but sometimes I found with my finger I can be even more precise about where the product is going to lay. And you just want to peel back a section just like we did with the cutting and use a little bit, a thin layer. You never want to use too much. Less is more. Trust me, this stuff works amazing, so you won't need a lot of it anyway. The key is, besides that thin layer, to let it dry just a little bit. That's going to ensure that it's the perfect amount of tackiness, and as soon as you lay the lace on there, it is going to grip and hold. Then all you need to do is go with your finger, press it in on the edges, make sure that everything is covered and into the product. If not, no worries, you can go in with a little bit more of this on the edge, or to make it easier, go in with the mist, spray just on the edge or the foam. Honestly, all three of these products work so well together. So in case you lost track, this giveaway is not just this gorgeous custom wig, but it's the full mini install kit from TruMatch Lace Conceal, the full lace tinting sprays in each shade, and we've even thrown in this tube from Perfect Line Swiss. If you haven't heard about them, this is the magic that will make your lace grids disappear and create a super seamless scalp-like effect on your parting. I haven't done it on this wig, but I definitely will be doing a short video on my Instagram. So make sure you are following us on our social media, where we're gonna have even more helpful tutorials, especially throughout this Alopecia Awareness Month. Now, as you can see, this wig was crazy easy. All I had to do was cut the lace. It was already styled, and I mean, this beautiful custom cut is like the layers of my dreams. I've never had the hair sit or fall in front of my face so effortlessly. So I didn't even use any heat or any styling tools. And matter of fact, this is the day after. So on the second day, all I did was wrap her last night using my Monica Nicole silk bonnet. Here she is. Now, of course, it doesn't have to be one from Monica Nicole. It can be any silk bonnet, okay? Just make sure you are protecting your investment, because hair is expensive and you want it to last as long as possible. So if you are going to sleep in it, please make sure you are putting on some kind of silk scarf and wrapping it up. And it doesn't even take much to wrap. All I did was swoop this back, added some clips, some bobby pins, and then swoop this piece in front, just like that. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Once you put on the actual cap, it will hold everything together. I took it out and everything is flowing so beautifully. And again, those layers, the face framing. Now, if you love this look, we would love for you to have the opportunity for it to be yours. So listen up. Make sure you head over to Instagram and that you are following I am Monica Nicole Hair, myself, Frontal Co, and TruMatch Lace Conceal. There is a post on my page, Frontal Co, where we did a live with the giveaway details. And on that post, make sure you tag a friend if you want an extra bonus entry, and you DM me a very brief story about why you should be chosen. This is going to help us select a person who is really in need of these products. That is our ultimate goal of this giveaway, is that it's going to go to someone who is going through hair loss, it's been a difficult journey, and you don't have the ability or access to get a custom wig at this moment. We want to give you everything you need in order to slay that wig and feel beautiful. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you go and check out her wig care routine. Make sure you have all bases covered for your new custom